Hello everyone, this is Lena from Premier Team Real Estate. I'm a realtor in Austin, Texas. Welcome back to ATX Real Estate channel. Today I'm standing in front of this community called Fairhaven, and it's located in Georgetown. And Fairhaven is a really big community. It has multiple thousands of houses in this location. And Fairhaven has a very nice community swimming pool. It has a trail, and it has beautiful floor plans ranging from 1,300 up to 2,700 square feet. And the price here used to be around 300 now to up to about 400 range. It's used to start around in the middle of 250, and now it's gone up a little bit due to the market and the demand, and the community has been around here about 2 to 3 years already. So this home is my listing for this weekend, and it actually, the model is called Denali, and it has 2-story. It has 3 full bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Upstairs there are 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath. Downstairs there's 1.5 bath, and the owner's suite is also on the first floor. So please tour with me. The 2-car garage, 2-story. Again, beautiful open floor plan. As you can see, this floor plan is very popular in the last 2 or 3 years with the Horton, by the way. This home was built in 2019. It has very high ceiling with all recessed lights. I would say the ceiling is about 17 feet high or even more. So it's open concept and very contemporary. Family room and entertainment can be right here, and it does have a raised countertop. You can put stools right here for sitting area, and it also have an area for the nook, like a small table for breakfast or dinner with family, and then it's open into the white beautiful cabinet and stainless steel appliances. The Horton actually used tile backsplash as well as the granite countertops for all its houses. And also the flooring, again, it is vinyl and it looks just like wood. Very easy and low maintenance. Special thing about this community is most of the houses have a really nice pantry. Exterior-wise, and all the houses in this community are built with 4-side masonry. So it has bricks all the way along the house. So let's tour with me into the half bath and then the master suite. So come in here. The half bath is located on the left side, and this is for guests. Here's a half bath. Next to the half bath is the laundry room. It has gas connection and electrical connection as well. So let's walk to the owner's suite. This owner's suite, the size is pretty decent, and it has a double vanity sink with flat or espresso cabinets. The house has a standing shower, pretty wide, and a private toilet. They do have a cable hookup area in the master bedroom for Wi-Fi. So just in case that you need connection. The good thing about this is, since this room is a bit longer and small, they make a little bit a window, like a highlight window on the top of the shower that give you some natural lights that's coming in to the house. So that's pretty much for the downstairs, and we're trying to go upstairs and take a look at the rooms upstairs. All right, let's check out the 2-room and a loft upstairs. As you go straight upstairs, you see a shared full bath. There's a sink, a toilet, and also a bathtub with shower. To the right is the loft, and the loft is pretty open to look downstairs. As you can see, there is a little balcony right here that you can look. There are 2 other windows on the top here, would give you a lot of good natural light. And here's the loft. You can have a game room, a pool table, or a ping pong table set up here, or a TV for family or for kids. Also, you can look down from this balcony. You can look down to see the kitchen and also the family room and the entry. So as you can see, there are 2 windows that giving a lot of good natural light inside the house, and all on the ceiling are decorated with reset lights. All right, so follow that. There's going to be 2 more bedrooms upstairs. There's also a linen closet right here, and the 2 bedrooms are close to each other. There's also 2 windows and a really decent, nice size of the closet. Okay. This is the 3rd bedroom. Also have 2 windows. All right. That is concluding the tour for the house today. And let's check out the backyard. This house is also come with a covered patio, and it's probably around 10 by 10 feet because of this model. As you can see, all around the house are bricks. So a lot of builders nowadays, they don't do bricks around the house. Horton does have different communities, and Fairhaven is the only community so far in Georgetown that I have seen that they have 4-size bricks. This lot is pretty special for this house because when the seller first bought it, she actually paid a premium for this lot. So it has a larger size lot than other houses. Pretty big size yard, and it's enough to put in a swimming pool or another patio outdoor. With that said, I'd like to conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching. This house was on the market for 1 day, and we also have a contract within the same day. So it's actually under contract right now. Just in case that you are interested to know what the pricing on this one is, $390,000 as listing on the market right now. It's pretty decent price. Horton are still building in this community, and a house like this, approximately about 1,800 square feet, is already about $389 or $390, and then you have to bid it up. So with this 2-year-old home, very new condition, you are getting the same price, and the house is ready to move in. So it was really good deal for the buyer, and congratulations to my buyers and sellers. If you guys have any questions about real estate in Georgetown, Round Rock, Leander, or any area around Austin, please contact me. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.